Let's move to the first major processing stage and tune to washing and peeling. This ensures only the best potato flesh proceeds to slicing.
Peeling is crucial for smooth texture and hygiene in the final product. The process is fast and continuous to keep production flowing smoothly.
Water is filtered and reused where possible for efficiency and sustainability.
Now we have smooth, clean potatoes ready for the next exciting step.
Precision is everything in chip making. Let's head to slicing. Watch how slicing machines are the heart of consistent chip quality.
Slice thickness is precisely controlled, usually around 1 to 1.5 millimeters. Uniform slices ensure all chips cook at the same rate in the fryer. Slices fall into cold water baths immediately to prevent browning.
This washing step removes excess surface starch that causes sticking.
Starch removal is vital for achieving that perfect crispy texture. Some lines use air knives or centrifuges for better dewatering later.
This washing step removes excess surface starch that causes sticking. Starch removal is vital for achieving that perfect crispy texture.
Some lines use air knives or centrifuges for better dewatering later. The process is fully automated, with sensors monitoring every detail.
Now the potato slices are prepped and looking fresh and ready.
Next comes blanching to improve color and remove more sugars.
Blanching helps create that golden, appealing chip color. Let's see this important temperature-controlled step in action.
The transformation from slice to chip is getting closer.
This step gelatinizes surface starch and brightens the natural color.
Blanching also reduces sugars that could burn during frying.
After blanching, slices go through dewatering to remove excess moisture. The fryer is the star of the show. Hot oil at controlled temperatures. Oil temperature is maintained precisely around 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for best results.
Cooling begins immediately to set the crunchy texture. Fans and ambient air help bring the temperature down safely. Quality checks happen here, checking color, crispness, and oil content.
Any defective chips are removed automatically or manually.
Frying is both an art and a science in snack production.
Now the plain chips are ready for the flavor magic.
Seasoning turns simple chips into irresistible snacks. Different flavors can be applied on the same production line.
Let's explore how seasoning brings the wow factor.
Common seasonings include salt, barbecue, cheese, sour cream, and more.
Precise dispensers ensure every chip gets consistent flavor coverage.